Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. The cause and effect matrix is a great tool to use so that you can understand the different inputs, causes, and the outputs, the effects that will have the greatest impact on success. Usually the inputs are process related, and then the outputs are usually focused on the customer. So for example, you might have an input of specific customer service processes or manufacturing processes that lead to and develop certain products, but then the effect or the output would be the customer's delight in a certain feature or a certain customer service experience. So the idea is that you want to inventory all of those specific causes, inputs, and then the effects on them. If you can score the effects from a customer lens, what you're able to do is understand which of those outputs are most important to your customer. Then you can trace back the inputs that you're using to get to those. That will all help you score and prioritize your cause and effect matrix and understand where you want to put your resources, where it makes sense to improve processes, and where it makes sense to elevate the customer experience or emphasize the customer experience, and what you can do on the back end in terms of making that process or the products better that you're working on. So the cause and effect matrix is just a great way in order to prioritize what you need to do and where you need to put your resources to serve customers better. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.